So this is some new trend in app, so let's just get into it. It's called World of WIT, the thrill of encrypted photos. So to install it, just use your Face ID or Touch ID and then install it. Just like 28 megabytes. Photos and memories. WIT encrypts your photos into puzzles that have you discover your memories all over again. Play or share. Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Have your friends look closer with WIT. Surprise, amuse, or challenge them. WIT converts any photo into a puzzle, even with a nice hide-in blur option. Make your photos stand out, send them as WIT, and your friends can solve it. Be warned, it's really addictive. WIT stands for what is this, where is this, who is this, why is this, when is this. So that's pretty interesting. And then, so that's pretty interesting concept, and I think it can be super addictive. So what I need to do here is just allow access to all photos, and then I can just show WIT, and then I can just I don't know, like how should I solve it. So basically right now I have this photo and I should just drag it around, and it is also blurred, so this makes it even more complicated. It can take quite a long time to So it can take quite a lot of time to solve it. I guess I just need to drag similar colors to similar colors. Tease your friends. So for example, I want to take a photo. So I will take a photo of this Pringle. And then I just want to use the photo here. And there you have it. Create a WIT. So now I just want to do something like, this is, I can blur the image, and then, that's a bit easier. And then I can just test it. So, nice. So it can be super addictive, that's true. Nope, that's the wrong move here. I got this one. Almost there. Now I can put it here. This one I put here. Yay! So now I solved this. And then, so that's how it works. And then I can just send it. So that's pretty cool. And then, I can send it to someone or upload from photos. So that's basically, and then you can receive all these WITs from some other people, I guess. And that's basically how the app works. Super cool idea. So definitely you can just tease your friends just by creating this WIT or VIT, I don't know how it's pronounced exactly, and then just send it to your friends. And then just tease them and have fun.